Hello. I wanted to take a minute to go over some functionality added to create batches. We added this in our 4.30 release, which is the March 31st, 2020 release. Specifically, one of the pieces I want to talk about right now is if a user selects from create batches multiple planned orders that share the same formula and end item, but they have two different start dates on them. Previously, what we were doing prior to this release is if you selected both of these, we'd start the batch. The start date of the batch being created would be the oldest date, I guess, the earliest date, I guess, however you want to look at that. And then the end date would be the latest date that we've got. So in this case, we would expect it to be starting at 12:30 and being done, completed 1:30. We'll go ahead and see how that works just by hitting create batches. It's suggesting one batch ticket, and the date associated with it to get started starts on 12:30 and ends on 1:30. Now, what we added on this version was the ability to separate this. If we've got this scenario where I've got two planned orders that are being made at the same time, don't combine those planned orders, but rather respect their individual planned orders and look at the start dates accordingly. In a way that this is done, I'm going to go look at settings. This can be the settings for this particular run. This can also be set at the facility level. I'll show you that in a minute. But what we're talking about right here is separate the planned orders by start date. That would then give us, instead of one batch ticket, it'll actually give us two different batch tickets respecting the individual start dates. So this one has got a start date of 12:30. It's got a 1-day lead time. And then this one is 1:29 with an end date there to be 1:30. That now allows us the ability to take multiple planned orders, convert them into either one or multiple batches depending on the start dates. I hope that helps, and let us know what further we can do around that.